And in this particular video, the Boba could come mam, you know, you bet them ako across circle, honomono. Ija ato hama stores as she no. And yasim come about you. Now face no, you bet them ako boko. Near Zako PM Accra High Court. You call honomoa. I was a man pretty for no. Omo dwalai ama omo bekasa no mo mo kan de egusua emodu pa omo blast sebe Euro Otumfuo John Mahama no mo sa threat Ghana at large ese omo pass ndwe na omo de Boko Haram for ebepa Ghana hanomo aha Penyah broke media mess was say need mo obe like video no other one subscribe button sample click notification icon latest update na be chile wa dwen de ama me e wo comment expense obaso no je for enya bia hwe e let me begin with Accra abusia. This is the second time in 2026 me. I say Accra circle aba news mo. The first one, tanker cabina ekwohwe ho no mo no. Okay that was second January no. Ana tanker cabi ko hwe ho overhead na se circle interchange overhead na se ko anu kakra bia tanker cabi ko hwe ambro update on that. Now was at this time no. Circle ho na. Come nkonma circle ho na no. Ene 20th January 2025. Eja to ho butu. I say VVIP session ho no mo no. Ashiama store den asihia no.
Ni won jina no onya de nu.
Alaji too much. It's only Everybody go down! Let's see if you have control. Let's do it. Hey, Massa, go back. Down. Mando, watch out. Hey, see that way. But we are fast now, but we're going to do
So military people are also helping.
fire service tin copy situation so ntaba busia na to no avail asemo ama dwadifo de bi no mu ne ma hye no omu edi ni suo ene yaw ebe kasa kan ensem no amane a atuo mu
no prawe ya da honu mana omo se hehye ye kwa enim sa agro omo se start free down hanom na ehye ba terifi sa agro ye kwa etete wonu ma ye ti se adu ha ada gi paw ni asori ye omo se gas bi na Nigeria ni aso wandum gas no ada di problem we na aba enti penfa mo ga na mo hwe ye fridge ye di ye aduma baby ha na ye da o ye fridge ye bibia hye baby ye jai nyama mi nya ya na hye Ministry de minya ya na semi ente penfa mo aga na ma meboa ya ni be beda de se ho meboa ya wa na e ho kire ye de be didi na ahyi de be beda kwa ya ni bi nti ya sra mo meboa ya wa na e ho kire ye ya sra mo meboa ya na sa asama to ya ni
Nice try. Oh. Oh, jeez, it's cold. I live on a Kelly fry. I eat like,
Where is it?
Emma Nadmo boss kasa ye
Now, it's a the formal space. You won't say been the American exercise on your man. Engine a police for and not for her. The world people won't be out there. When Papa, near Mana and Jan and Sumi, the idiot, it's no more. The 24 space don't even do Jam because over here, I'm ready. I say, Pastor is for the Penyah to pack. Oh, a Juman Bassy and any bridge, and this is a specialized area. The best mom near my own train police for a higher bob near my fine. Not before you hear a bit take your record. So beyond the BBA say piano, they are sending a buying the best work there Sunday. A moment. So beyond that was no fire service for them with you. You hear BBA ever home, the Bayam,
Ghana fair service so penny for could be on we soon say we to Ghana for any more
To us, please.
yes Ghana on the aside I film be ma fina sa start the rule 2025 from na the sa pepe hwe say ene cross no ye legendary ya usapon wawu just Ghana no menim is that we know how now who ye is that kwame koma cycle on me de enya asem kuma manfo ani atutu aka omu nsem economy we age say sika ni o man ni mo bia ye style no na say we store ahede a na say enya asem kuma enya na ma dedi agro kra ama we abia ron say de yetwa mu koboko onim say boko ntawantawan ada ho ache ana ko bia nim say asumdwe aba free say Otumfuo Asantehene e kan ye edi ye atuye ni mediation exercise no bibia ba ye January mu ema amanba ko ba ye se na ahyerega eye mampusi fo hene na oboko no on firi ho no mo se bia asumdwe ebeba ya kan asem no ama bibia esi mediation exercise no akwawiye kwansima no se mampusi fo de krata ba se omunti ase omunso asem no mo kan no bewura sebe Omubo anyo so papa eno no akasa ba bonten e de amanbo aba omu ensum but now he says the president John Dron Mahama so any age ho report to Otumfuo Asantehene no tell say oh that was the truth as it Ghana for nyanya age na ewiase na ye boy ewura ba so say wa ya ade wa ye do betimi area abo Ghana e de kwens na ko ba say e wo say na asheriga every honomo ofri boko honomo no ana on free hono report e by say allegedly Ghana military say Ghana armed forces ko ni bi ego pie mo boko honomo e ma omu ko tabiri na asheriga edni free honomo ongo je se ongo chi ni ko ongo che no ede ko ba bi ai se amanba ama ye hu ba bi om de fa ye enam sima man pretty for no bufu ye eta omu ye ho basa basa e ho e ma asem no ego pie mu Accra High Court dizi Accra High Court ana ye kan so ba hu se na lawyer Martin Pebu e kan he is one of the lawyers for man pretty for na omu demand justice say naturally Ghana ma chire no omu nya no ene ade obi say last time no na omu nyina ko pie mu Accra High Court no omu ani abro ho no be say enra ana man pretty for no eza ko pie mu Accra High Court next abeye 2 weeks ye ko chi omu hene na asheriga every boko no no abe pie mu 2 weeks ya remand mine 2 weeks omu hu no ye nya no ene na omu de hu abufo ko pie mu Accra High Court ene ho da busan no na enye easy omu demand say ye nyi na asheriga ma hu mu ne ho no ensem a omu gina ho no no a eka ye no esewani eni se ka kire we ni nsem a omu kan ye no.
We need peace. We need peace. Without justice, they can never be 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 peace. We need 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 peace. Without justice, there can never be peace. We need peace. We the Mapuches, we are peace-loving people, but we want justice. Without justice, there can never be peace. Without justice, there can never be peace. We the Mapuches, we are peace-loving people. Without justice, there can never be peace. Without justice, there can never be peace. Yes, that's our evidence. We the Mapuches, that's our evidence. That's our history. That's our history. Our evidence. Everything. You can read it. Let them bring their own. No. We need peace. 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 That's our evidence. 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 We need justice for Alaji Seri. 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 We need justice. We need justice. We need justice. We need justice. Without justice, there will never be peace. We need justice. Without justice, peace is there can never be peace. Why?
Otumfuo, you are ashamed for yourself. And John Ramani Mahama, Ghana president, and you are ashamed for yourself. It's not, you are not the Kusasi president, you are Ghana president. It's not only Kusasi who vote you and you come to power. We Mampusi, we vote you. Me myself, I'm a Mampusi. I vote you, John Ramani Mahama. Nasia vote you. Mungu vote you. Wale vote you. Nalalugu vote you. All of us, we are Mampusis. And why? Today you are a Ghana president and you are taking your side for the Kusasis. How many Kusasis there in Boku? They can vote when you come to power. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm asking you people. So I want John Ramani Mahama to know the way we are coming here and we are standing. We want our father, Nabshidiga, Boku Nabshidiga, Seru about the 15th chief of Boku, to release our father for us, and we'll take our father to Boku. Our tradition, we'll follow our traditional and take our keys. If you want to let me see the numbers from 1 to 19. Yes, 19. You know, see 15. See the 15 here. If there's an overload, Ghana, if there's an overload, no any overload apart of Nabwagu Abdullah Mamiri Shiriga and Dunia Dana, a part of Nabwagu, the empire. He is the empire in this world, a part of Nabwagu. But Asantehene, you are saying for yourself, I swear God, and Ghana President John Ramani Mahama, I'm telling you, I'm a Mampusi, I vote you, but you are saying for yourself. It's not only Kusasi who vote you. Why are you taking, we are not the Ghanaians. We the Mampusi, we are not the Ghanaians. If we are not the Ghanaians, who let us know? All of us, we are Ghanaians. And why are you taking our father to Accra here? 24 hours. I'm not seeing my father. It's more than 22 days today. Why Ghanaians? You don't want to speak true. Let us speak true. Ghanaians, you don't want to lie. True is 100%. Like the way I've spoken. Somebody can say, oh, see the way they're supposed to catch him. No. Nobody can catch me. Yes, see that's my father.
See, just watch this one.
Just watch this one. That's the history.
This is the history.
The history is 100%.
This one alone.
History is not market that you going to buy. Oh. If you want to follow a history and traditional, it's not market you going to buy. Politics cannot give you like you are a thief because of power. No. We are not fighting with the Kusasi. If the gardener who fighting with us right now, where we stand.
Kusasi can never stand.
Kusasi cannot stand with Mampusi and fight, but it's the Ghana president, John Mahani Mahama.
If they know
you are very shame for yourself.
Come with military to do sacrifice.
Why?
At Atabia.
Anatabia.
Shrine. Why?
My father shine and you come there to medicine. Why are you Ghanaians? Let us talk the truth. Why are you letting every time and we are suffering like this? See the way I'm standing. I'm a young boy, 22 years. But see the way Bawku, they are shooting guns right now. Because of what? Because of what? People are dying. Our sisters, our aunties, they are dying. They are suffering. If you want escort to Bawku to Bolga safe, and let we pay 300 Ghana cedi give the police before going to Bawku to Bolga. Why?
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Why? What kind of life is that? Why? Are we the only human who has seen no justice? We are tired of you people. No justice, no peace. They should kill all of us. We are tired. We are tired of them. Why? Why? What do we do? What do we do? Are we not Ghanaians? Are we not Ghanaians?
Without justice, they can never be peace. Without justice, they can never be peace. Without justice,
Oh yes, Asantehene, 4 years.
anybody. That is our right. You cannot sit on our right. Never.
Yes.
Why? Chieftaincy is not about you going to market to go and buy. No, it's about lineage. Yeah, if you check in the constitution, I think that was Article 247. It defines a chief. A chief is the person who comes from the appropriate lineage. If you don't come from that lineage, you can never become a chief. So tell them, it's not like we like talking. No, we are telling them the truth. Ghanaians, what they are doing, this is not the first time. This is the second time. So we are still firm and strong. Power doesn't last forever. Power doesn't last forever. If you are in power, thinking that you will be in power forever, you lie bad. You lie bad. So one day you step, then that will be the day that the Ghanaians will know who truly owns the land of Bawku. If you think you are in power, and this is in power, you can use that one to intimidate or do whatever you want. Yes, continue. But Almighty Allah is watching. What belongs to you will surely belong to you. That is the message. Without justice, there will never be peace in Bawku. Simple.
We need justice.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. It will never happen. No justice, no peace. There can never be peace in Bawku. No justice, no peace.
Kusasi for Penyah or say this about power. enti kusasi youth no omo ye de bia omo pe obi a no obechi omo sa de na omo ye so esa no kure mesa wo ani kema abugura wo azoka ne video a tire se omo ombetime ja ye hini emaye be ye ntimi nko omo ina je se omo akusasi fo no enku ye yina man polisi fo mfiri boku no mon ka no kure ye yina ye gina ha no usi oyo hini sa na hini kasa me wa video no frame sisi a ye fa kura metime play video na ma sisi ano nan kaya kase kama wuntimi na di Ghana sika omini ba bre pa se omo ko hwehwe no hodi kama wuntimi abakot omo abia omo ku police for no ani soldier for immigration for no omo oboko no when they intelligent e copy no in terms of that issues and I say when any soldier ni ko chi no say in terms of that issue but who pie ba bonte bia say wo be kan no kura no na omo ka say oh omo abachi wadi akọ me say repeat amamu ya nanamu ya papa nu omo chi omo de akọ detention and omo call detention ebi mi go serve ho so many years and say omo ba fie e ba wuye omo amfa mpene makurem no makusasi fo enti say sunje na ya nyina ya wa Ghana no ye pe ya nim say mra e ya time o Ghana ya nyina ya wa Ghana wa ina penifo omo ko school ya penifo pa e wa ban nu e wa political party omo see dey omo pie ba 2008 e be ka say dey say omo amba power Ghana be dane ti say Sierra Leone e dey no omo ye no omo na penifo dey no omo ye omo anya sui abaku asama ye ka no ye ndidi obi atem ye nka say obi ye say dey bi tambia me pie say ya e be ka social media so a ana say TV so na omo say omo achime omo akumi obi ankumi yakupata ya sanu so no na e betumi akumi obi ankumi mi wo ho obi aso anchime enti ye pese asunja be ba ha ye wo overload of your friend say kura ya gbangura ho ye nana Otumfuo Asantehene the second war
Penyah. Caleb not tonight. Yeah.
We need justice. We need justice. We say about peace. Peace will buy any peace. So, there's on the other side.
Ebe yili Ghana ha no mu ye already nyame. Ya na sometimes me num ho kwa se me Ghana ni. Ya na me num ho kura se me Ghana ni. E dia se buledi. O mai ba kwa ya chechire. We nyina ni hwe. Mo de boko alam fo ba Ghana. O ba be de. O ba be de o Ghana ha no. Ebe busan we abe ensem wa se yemfa ni agro. Na so shocking say Oma yeah the politics say Europe. Omo ankasa sa the politics Europe. Omo yeah the politics. I know na enye fine. Omo yeah the politics enye nice. Because you how na flag bearers ni be the politics in 2024. No more the politics from 2016, 2020, from 2016, 2020 and 2024. How na party members ni be the politics, but enye nice. We shouldn't politicize this issue because this is a chieftaincy issue. You can't merge chieftaincy with politics. Emfa, ejabetom. Emfa. Eti munya abotre. Ala se munya abotre. Mo so mo ga kan. Ano wo hye munya abotre kakra. Kira adwo ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.